All right, it is officially the day before the 50K. Want to go over my gear packing list and all of the stuff that I'm going to have in my bag. I'm not using a drop bag. Madeline's going to be going aid station to aid station with everything I need. So as far as GPS tracking goes, I will be wearing the tried and true. I've had this watch forever. It's the Garmin 735 XT. Yes, I know it's a triathlon watch. I am too cheap to buy an ultra watch, so I will be rocking this thing throughout my ultra marathon endeavors until it gets to the point where I am running further than my watch can stay on for. I'm not gonna get into what I'm gonna be wearing. It's supposed to be pretty cold at the start of this thing, so probably like shorts, tights, and a long sleeve shirt. But we'll go over what I'm using for the extremities. These cheap like $1 gloves. These are my favorite. I have been running with these things for, not these particular ones because they get disgusting because I'm very careless with them since, hey, they're $1. And of course, if it happens to be like extremely cold, I've got these bad boys right here. Just the North Face. Like, yeah, they're gloves. I have me a hat as well. Since it is supposed to be cold, I want my ears to be nice and warm. Then after it starts warming up, I've got, these hats that I always wear. Yep. And assortment of goos and these things. Got some Noon tablets. I don't really use these too often, but it's good to have just in case. If you know, you know. Gold Bond, basically the same thing as Body Glide. I have Body Glide as well, but I use, it's all the same stuff. 2 pairs of sunglasses. Got the Hoka Speed Goats. These were essentially the shoes that I bought after I started having some foot pain. The shoes that I was running in they were fairly minimalist. So we got these guys. I really enjoy running in them so far. So looking forward to 31 miles in these. And of course I have the backup pairs as well, just in case something happens, like my feet get absolutely soaked to where those are just not bearable anymore. Then I'm going to have these just on deck, just to swap out in case of emergency. I'm going to be having 2 pairs of these guys right here. These are the Njinji like trail socks. They are phenomenal. I absolutely love them. I really like the toe socks because my toes tend to rub together and cause blisters, so this solves that problem. A headlamp. If I have to use this thing, something has gone extremely wrong because the race starts at 8:30, and if I don't finish before dark, then that's not okay. It's basically like ibuprofen in a tube. Put that on my foot. It's fantastic. GoPro Hero 7, yes, I know I am very behind on the GoPros. Obviously, it's going to be in the car. I'm not carrying this with me. Foam roller. Goes without saying. To get into what I am carrying with me, with this guy here, it's going to be 2 of these guys filled up, so that is 1 liter of water. I will obviously resupply as needed at each aid station. I plan on carrying I think the longest gap between aid stations is around 6 miles. That being said, I will be carrying 3 goos, some salt tablets, gummy bears. If you've been watching this channel, I like the gummy bears or gummy butterflies. This specific brand is fantastic to eat while I'm running. It's really easy on my stomach and it's super easy calories. And they're delicious. That is it. That's what we're packing tomorrow. If you'd like to follow along, I will drop the link. I think this race has tracking between aid stations where updates. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.